This video guides you through replacing the battery in your 2003 to 2006 GMC Sierra key fob, model LHJ011. It's a simple DIY task that saves time and money. The LHJ011 fob is a plastic housing with two buttons for lock and unlock, plus an internal circuit board. Replacing the battery will restore functionality. For replacing the key fob battery, you'll need basic tools and materials. The essential items are a flathead screwdriver or pry tool, and a new CR2032 battery. CR2032 batteries are widely available at electronics stores or online, typically costing between $1 and $5. The image shows various battery types, with the CR2032 being a small lithium coin cell. This is what a CR2032 battery looks like up close. Note the positive side marked with a plus sign. For optional protection against static electricity, wear gloves during handling. For environmental benefits, consider using rechargeable CR2032 batteries instead of disposables. These can be reused many times and help reduce electronic waste. Insert the flathead screwdriver into the seam at the base of the key fob. Gently pry open the two halves. Be careful not to use excessive force, which could crack the plastic housing. Work in a static-free area to prevent circuit damage. Once the key fob is open, locate the CR2032 battery inside. Pop out the old battery. Note the polarity. The positive plus side faces up. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring it's correctly oriented with the positive side up. Make sure there's no debris on the battery contacts. Carefully snap the two halves of the key fob back together. Ensure they are firmly closed, leaving no gaps. The reassembly process is the reverse of the disassembly. Press firmly until you hear a click. Now test the key fob by pressing the lock and unlock buttons while standing near your GMC Sierra within a 20 to 30 foot range. The vehicle's doors should lock and unlock in response to the button presses. If the key fob doesn't work, double-check the battery polarity and ensure the contacts are clean. If the key fob still doesn't work after battery replacement, the circuit board might be corroded, especially in older fobs. Clean the contacts with isopropyl alcohol and try again. In rare cases, the key fob may require professional repair or replacement. Counterfeit batteries can also cause issues, so purchase from reputable sources. Consider using rechargeable CR2032 batteries to reduce waste and save money over time. The automotive industry is moving toward digital keys via smartphone apps, potentially making physical key fobs obsolete in the future. However, DIY repairs for older vehicles like the 2003 to 2006 GMC Sierra will remain relevant for years to come. Remember to dispose of old lithium batteries properly to protect the environment.